and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in case you're new here, my name is Furaha and you guys are so welcome to this channel. Come on, just subscribe, please do so. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share this video, like, comment, kila kitu, So today's video, I am actually going to show you what my mom got for her grandbaby. Yeah, what my mom got for her granddaughter. And I think this is going to be the part 2. For the part 1, I know I didn't finish it, but those things were so maniac-y. I could not remove all of them for camera and I was excited and you know. Okay, so without much further ado, and please don't mind my background, I know this bed looks messy and poleni. So let's get to the video. So the first thing is this, how do I call it? Bedding. Let me just call it a bedding, like generalize. I don't know how big my mom thought my baby's bed is, but this is so big. Like in Tatosha, it fits. I believe it will fit the mattress. So this is for her bed, and my mom got 2 of these. This is white. And then this is the other one. So really, they have to be washed before they get back stand up because I'm almost going to transfer her to her bed. This is right now. And then I have this. How do I call this? People use this when they're going to camp, but yeah, there's also this one for Tinkerbell. I love the colors, it's pretty. And then that is it for the bedding. That is it. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm just going to try and fast things up. So the next thing is she puts everything for Ayana in this bag. If you did not know my baby's name, let me reveal my name. Anyway, so this is everything Ayana got. See, it has even her name. She labeled it, and so did our items. They were all labeled. So let's see what's in this bag. Imagine I've not opened this bag since yesterday. It was on Friday. Your box ilifika on Friday. Na ndo niwachekeshe. Guess when the box was sent, like ndo ifike huko. It was sent before I delivered. Like it was sent last year. Last year. I think but it was sent even before I gave her. Like ndo driven in the camp, yeah. So nikipata manguo ndogo hapa, I don't know. So for the first item we have this pink jacket. For now I think it's big on her, but it amtosha. She's growing. She's really feeling so fast. And then we have this set of onesies. Oh, how cute! How cute are these? This is pink on peach. And then we have this white with the same color as the last one. And then the last one is the gray mixed with this color. So this is it. And then we also have this set. She bought a lot of onesies. For those who don't know what onesies are, onesies ni hizi za kushikilia pampers. So there's also this set. This is short sleeved. This set is short sleeved and the first one is long sleeved. We have this one which also has yellow. It has Winnie the Pooh. This is Winnie the Pooh. And yeah, this set is for Winnie the Pooh, for that cartoon. And then this one is also another set with dinosaurs and I don't know what they're called, but this one is how this is what this one looks like. It has this. We have 3 3 sets of onesies. And then bibs. Oh my god. Mom, I know you're watching this video. Mom, thank you so much. Because bibs they cause my best friends. You know, at this point, it's that time where the baby is like salivating so much. So, usipomwekea bib, utamchange after every, 3 minutes. Because it might take a couple. So, the bibs are actually going to help a lot. There's this pink one which is written, thank heaven for little girl. And then we have the white one which is written, shine like the stars, which she will and she is. And then we have heaven sent. She is definitely heaven sent. And then the last one is written, little blessing. Aww. There's a baby so okay. Let's move on. She has a teddy bear. I've been thinking of getting her one since I don't know when. But since bado hajajua she's trying to grip things, but still. So you see, I'll just put this in her bed. This teddy bear looks so pretty. It's written, someone who loves me very much went to Outer Banks and brought me this teddy bear. That's true. Someone who loves me very much, like a grandbaby, like so much. And my grandbaby has anyway, the next is dolly. It's a Stitch doll. If you watched Lilo and Stitch, then you definitely know this cartoon. Can you guys see it clearly in the paper out today? I don't want to remove anything that should not be removed, but this one looks like it will be easier for her to like. So I'll just open it, and then once it's washed, tutakuwa ameichezea. So this is how the doll looks like. It also looks like a key holder or something. And then we have, my mom told me there will be this toy, which I don't even know. I don't know what it does. She explained to me, which I will have to call her and ask her again. But let's just see. She said it sings, so it should like these two items, like these ones, they go, I think like this. Yeah, like this. So at a pinya. So I guess when the batteries are put in, then it will work. Now,
hi, I'm Rockabus. Are you ready to rock?
Okay, it already has it already has the battery, so itaoshwa kama ipanguzwe or iwe disinfected, and then we'll start putting her to like play with them. She already has a playmat and she's already trying to sit down. I am giving you guys the details. No, I will stop. Let me just get back to it. And then we have diapers packer. Oh, okay. So this is for putting the diapers. Like you can remove your pampers, all of them, and just put them inside the kuzipange, and then hang it somewhere you can easily have access to. Wow, okay. Hizi zote lazima ziwashwe so. Then now we have this wipes. It's for wipes. Like you put the wipes for the baby inside. would like remove your wipes, or you put the whole thing inside, like the whole pack of your wipes you put inside, and you just close it. And then when you want to remove wipes, you just put it there. So, oh, we've got more bibs. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm so happy and I'm excited about bibs. Like, it's even pressure. So we have more bibs. This one's written Bon Appetit. Then this one has all kinds of ketchup stuff, carrots, cheese, salt. And I love this. I love this set. It has all my favorite colors. If you don't know, I love dark colors. I don't know why. My mom is always like, why do you love dark colors? I love black, I love blue, I love gray. Yeah, those are my 3 favorite colors. And these are all like, it will see how pretty they are. And then for the next item we have socks. Aww. I really wanted to get socks, but my mom was like, you know, I have a lot of those in that bag, so just chill, just wait for them, because all her socks are small because she's growing. So ukimbalisha zinamfinya, like I don't like zinamfinya na kuzinaacha like so much socks. So at least now we have more socks and it's so cute. I love the colors. I love the colors. I love the colors. Then now for the clothes. Ah! I'm so excited, Lucky guys. Why? Anyway, so we have this set. This she'll probably wear when she's like one year or 2. Because yo, this is so big. Like it's big, and that's I love big clothes, because right now she's really growing fast. But anashtuka like unakimbia unaenda wapi? Please, can you come for me, please? So this is the first set, and then we have this. Like my mom got everything at a bigger size because she's really growing so fast. Yeah. So we have this. This is like, I think, flower. Yep. This is what we call a pelnade. If you're a Luo, then you know. This is what we call a pelnade. Like mali unafungulia huku chini ukimtoa pampers, you don't have to remove it. And then we have this capriti kofia. Oh my god. Oh, I can surely. So pretty. And it also has this. It's so pretty. Everything inside this bag is so pretty and colorful. My mom loves colors. And then we have this set. This she will probably wear in the next few months. This set, the pink, very bright. And then next we have, you know, our last one, the last photo is from, he loves such cartoons. I think that's why my mom got clothes with such this rhinoceros. Okay, he's the one who knows how they're called. We don't know what they're called, but the dinosaurs, the everything. It's pretty. It's pretty. And then we have this set. This one is also when she grows like 1 year and yeah, 1 year. Because it's big. And then my mom would have bought the whole shop for this baby. Okay, let me see. Okay, these colors are so pretty. I can't wait for her to start wearing these clothes. So this she'll also wear like in the next few months, like not in the next few months, even right now. This is Dantosha. Look how pretty it is. I love the pink and the green. It looks so beautiful. Then we have this dress isn't Zamania in a bag because yeah, she's not this big. have this. Oh, I love this one. This one is also for 1 year plus. And then we have this big one. Wow. This is like a tutu something. This one's also for just 1 year. It's been written Daddy's Little Princess. So there's that. And then there is this. This is Michigan. Oh, it's a set. Wow, okay. This is like a tutu dress. Is that what they're called? And then it has this kapati and the headband. And then we have sweaters. Oh, surely. We'll see. This cartoon was called 101. Not cartoon movie. Okay, cartoon. And then we have this. So if it's warm, I know it's Chinese. And now she got a lot of clothes. And then she has this. This she'll probably wear immediately in the shower. She'll be chocolate. And then have this box of bottles. I don't know why Kenya. I don't know if it's only where I went to, but I could not find these bottles, the Avent bottles. I was told the Avent bottles are the best. Thank you so much for this. And there are 3. So there are three bottles. And then next we have 2 shoes. Like really? Viatu? Okay, she'll wear shoes now, but is it too early? I'm the one who's taking it. I want to open inside. Imagine when you buy such, because they know like you're going to gift someone, they put for you a gift bag. Like really? Surely. These people though. It's pretty. And my mom brought my daughter's name. Ayana from Grandma. How cute. I'll use this. This one is so special. This one stays. And then as for the shoes, able you people just see. Should I say shoes or is it socks? They are basically socks, but zimewekwa kama kiatu. Like hii kitu ya ndani imezishikilia kama kiatu. How pretty is this, guys? So pretty. So pretty. Hizi atavaa sahi. Hizi kwanza atavaa. Very strong. And then we are almost done. We have this, Lala, and then I think tumefika kwa trouser. And then this. So we have this pretty dress. then how pretty is this? Seriously, for sure. It looks like my shoot, without doubt. And then she also has a white one. And then another dress. Hey. My baby has napkins now. It's official. Yanaba immediately imeoshwa. Immediately. And this one, I think this one is a set. Yeah, it's a set. Yani mpaka kuna full neck, like surely. Let me see. Just why did I get a dress like this? It's very kind, inachoma macho. And for the last item, we have this beautiful. It looks like this one. Imagine all this for me. Man, I can't thank my mom enough. I love my mom so much. I love you so much, mom. Thank you for this on behalf of Ayana. Thank you. Najua atazipenda. As she grows, she will love you. So, yeah, everything is done. That is it. So you guys remember, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you are the first to get notified. And I will see you guys in my next video. So for now, I am going to say bye and see you next when we meet.